एमएसएमई पर प्रधानमंत्री के बयान के बाद इंडस्ट्री के दिग्गजों से खास बातचीत की हमारी संवाददाता सुप्रिया भारद्वाज ने।
सीआईआई के मंच से आज प्रधानमंत्री ने सारी इंडस्ट्री को कहा है कि ऑप्टिमिस्टिक अप्रोच को अपनाया जाए। इस समय हमारे साथ पूरा सीआईआई का पैनल है। सबसे पहले जो प्रेसिडेंट है उनसे ही पूछते हैं। आदि गोजत सर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने जो कहा, क्या देखते हैं इसमें आवाज?
नहीं, मैं समझता हूँ कि ये बहुत अच्छी बात कही है प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने। ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहना ही चाहिए। शायद 12-13 में इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ कम रहा है, लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बहुत है। हमें ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहना चाहिए। और मैं समझता हूँ कि बिजनेस, इंडस्ट्री, सारे देश कंप्लेंट पे इतना ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए। सजेशंस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, क्या करना चाहिए, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग पे ध्यान ज़्यादा देगी तो देश का बहुत फायदा रहेगा।
Chris, there's another question. He said very clearly that, when our businessmen are going abroad and investing in big time, so let other people also come to India, let foreign investor come to India and invest, and also opening FDIs in other sectors. How do you see this comment, sir?
So clearly, the last few years have demonstrated that Indian industry is competitive, can be competitive, can actually compete on the world stage. Several of our the large companies have acquired companies abroad, competed very well, and so we are confident that the industry will be able to grow.
Mr. Banerjee, sir, FDIs in more other sectors, there's been hint by the government that, and in fact the Commerce Minister has also said there are 3 more areas where FDI can come in, which is defense and banking along with insurance. How do you see this, sir?
When we liberalized in 1991, we had thought that opening up of sectors would lead to Indian businesses not being or being rendered uncompetitive, which did not happen. We saw that Indian business actually became much more competitive. So we are very clear that we need FDI in other sectors. We have areas like manufacturing almost 100% opened up, but there are areas which needs to be opened up further.